Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda Civic. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then place wheel chocks behind the rear tires. Walk around the car to confirm stability, inspect factory jack points under the sill and near the pinch weld, and verify the jack is rated for the vehicle weight before positioning it carefully under the designated lift point. When choosing a jack, pick one rated for at least the Civic's curb weight and prioritize stability. A hydraulic floor jack offers smoother lifting and better control for frequent use, while a scissor jack works for occasional roadside changes. Never rely solely on a jack to hold the car. Always set jack stands under solid points and lower the car gently onto them to confirm a stable, secure position. The jack saddle under the marked lift point, ensuring full contact and alignment. Pump or crank the jack slowly while watching for any shifting or slipping, and stop once the tire clears the ground by a couple of inches. Place jack stands under adjacent support points, lower the vehicle gently onto them, and give the car a firm nudge to confirm stability before removing the wheel or performing maintenance under the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.